What is going on, traders, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm glad to have you. On this channel, I go over key levels and catalysts that I'm focusing on, along with a watch list of stock tickers that I may trade. In this video, I'll be going over my watch list for the trading week of July 10th, 2023. Let's get to it. Alright, first up, the catalyst. On Wednesday, we'll get June's Consumer Price Index report. Thursday, we'll get the Producer Price Index, which tracks inflation from the manufacturers and wholesalers' point of view. And lastly, we'll get Fed officials speaking on Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Let's take a look at this week's earnings calendar. Alright, so earnings season is here once again, and like always, we get some major banks reporting towards the end of the week. But the tickers I'm going to be watching this week is going to be Pepsi, JP Morgan, Citibank, and Wells Fargo. Let's get started with the watch list. First up is Meta Platforms, ticker symbol META, and here I have it zoomed in on the 4-hour time frame. Now Meta got all the way up to $300 last week, but the level I was watching has been $289. And after several attempts to break above $289, we finally closed above $289, with the stock sitting around $290.50. In order for me to consider it bullish, it has to get above $291.70. If it does, the first level I'm looking for to test is going to be that psychological $300 level once again. And if we can get above that, we're on our way up to $317. Now on the bearish side, if Meta cannot get above $291.70, I'm looking for it to test this $289 again, and if it can't hold that, it could possibly drop all the way down to $277.50. So keep these levels on your watch list, and let's see what happens. Up next is Wells Fargo, ticker symbol WFC, and here I have it pulled up on the weekly time frame. Now the company reports earnings before the market opens on Friday, and right now the stock is sitting around $42.75. Now we all know that banks benefit from higher interest rates, and I wouldn't be surprised if Wells Fargo reports good numbers. But regardless of the price action, whether up or down, if you take a look at the options, they're pretty cheap in both directions. So this could be a nice play for a small account. Now with the stock sitting around $42.75, in order for me to consider it bullish, it has to get above $43. If it does, the first level I'm looking for to test is going to be around $43.80. If it gets above that, I'm looking for it to test the bottom of this area around $46. If it gets above that, all the way up to around $49. Now on the bearish side, if Wells Fargo cannot get above $43, the first level I'm looking for it to test is going to be around $40.50. If it can't hold that, all the way down to around $36.50. So keep these levels on your watch list, and let's see what happens. Up next is Amazon, ticker symbol AMZN, and here I have it pulled up on the weekly time frame. Now Amazon Prime days are going to be Tuesday and Wednesday of this week. Now if the company reports good preliminary numbers from their Prime Day sales, I'm looking for this company to continue to run into their earnings at the end of the month. Now with the stock sitting around $129.75, in order for me to consider it bullish, it has to get above $130. If it does, the first level I'm looking for it to test is going to be around $136.50. If it gets above that, $146.50. And by the time their earnings, I'm looking for it to run all the way up to around $160. Now on the bearish side, if Amazon cannot get above $130, it could possibly drop all the way down to around $115. So keep these levels on your watch list, and let's see what happens. Alright, and the last one we're going to look at today is Coinbase, ticker symbol COIN, and here I have it pulled up on the 4-hour time frame. Now the reason this one made my watch list is because Bitcoin has been on a nice run as of late, and as a result, marketplaces like Coinbase and miners like Riot, Mara, and CleanSpark have all benefited and ran up just the same. Now with this stock sitting around $78.75, in order for me to consider it bullish, two things have to happen. The first is going to be Bitcoin has to continue to run and Coinbase gets above $80. If it does, the first level I'm looking for it to test is going to be around $85.50. Now on the bearish side, if Bitcoin stalls and starts to drop, and Coinbase cannot get above $80, the first level I'm looking for it to test is going to be around $77. If it can't hold that, $73. So keep these levels on your watch list, and let's see what happens. And that is the end of the video. If you found value, smash that like button and please consider subscribing to the channel. I set up a website at blazestocks.com where I post my videos, screenshots of stocks that didn't make the video, along with personal finance articles. So check it out when you get a chance. Also, if you're looking to get started with investing, check out the pinned comment in this video for a link to Webull, where you can get up to 12 free stocks for signing up and depositing just 1 penny. Here's wishing you a prosperous week of trading, and until next week, talk to you later.